Looks like these two are ready to robot! Time to put you in the jail, Killswitch. Maybe wanted in 15 different states, but that's not gonna stop me from beating you! Pew, pew, pew. Coach is bringing the heat with his blaster! Killswitch jumps out of the way in time! Wow! Claw grab! What the? Ah! Haha, I got it! You don't even have ammo! There he goes to the wrecking wall. He's got the super blaster.
Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
I'd rather kiss the baboon's buttocks.
Bananas made a break for the wrecking wall, but Wedgie's bringing the heat with his ion blaster!
Whoopsie, did you want that?
Actually, I was going for this.
Look out! It's a banana azooka!
A banana what now?
Oh, Wedgie's down and he is not getting up!
Best intelligent thing he's done all day.
Ah! Grr, get over here! Destructo Slime!
This shrimp in a meltdown? I must be hearing things.
Or maybe you just need your ears cleaned.
Wedgie just delivered a devastating dose of Destructo Slime! It's gonna take more than a little slime to stop hardware.
You were saying?
That slime...
Coach wins, and next time it's the Determinator for Coach. Let's see if he'll get into the meltdown or not.
This battle's over, folks, but the war has just begun. Don't miss out on the meltdown coming soon on Ready to